My dear brothers and sisters in Jesus Christ, today we celebrate the great solemnity of Saint Joseph, the husband of Mary. This year, this feast gets a special significance because our beloved Pope Francis has declared this year as Year of Saint Joseph to mark the 150th anniversary of the proclamation of Saint Joseph as the patron of the Universal Church. Therefore, it is good that we reflect Saint Joseph's life and his relevance today. The scriptures do not speak much about Saint Joseph. Saint Matthew and Saint Luke speak little in the infancy narrative. And once Jesus begins the public ministry, Saint Joseph disappears. But still, there are plenty we can reflect on. Let us draw 5 lessons from the life of Saint Joseph for our life today. The first, Saint Joseph was an obedient man. Throughout his life, Joseph did what God wanted. He found joy in fulfilling the plan of God. God sent a message through his angel Gabriel. And from beginning till the end, Saint Joseph carried out. That is, he had to accept Mary as his wife. And then Joseph had to be the foster father of Jesus. And Saint Joseph faithfully did this will and found joy in it. The second, Saint Joseph was a selfless man. Saint Joseph's only desire, only devotion was to serve Jesus and Mary. He did nothing for himself. Everything was for the good of the child Jesus and his beloved wife Mary. And thus he was truly a selfless man. The third, Joseph's life was an example. He was not a noisy person. He was not a man of words. But his life was a great example. In silence and quietness, he teaches us how to do God's will. And therefore, he became a righteous man and the just man as the scriptures proclaim. The fourth, Saint Joseph was a true leader. Not in the sense that we understand today the leadership. Rather, he took care of the family of Nazareth. He led the family as a good father, as a faithful father, as a responsible father. He took care, he protected, he guided, he supported his beloved son Jesus and his wife Mary. The fifth, Saint Joseph was a hard worker. And he worked throughout his life in order to provide livelihood to his family. And he taught also his son Jesus how to work. And thus Saint Joseph upholds the dignity of manual labor. Yes, dear brothers and sisters, these are the few important values that we can adopt today because they are the need of the hour. Let us seek the intercession of Saint Joseph, that whose life is a great example, so that we can live our family life properly and fruitfully, and that is how we all of us can do the will of God. May God bless all of us. I wish all of you the great feast of Saint Joseph. Amen.